डायना,
हाँ बताओ।
तुमने स्टार्टिंग में कहा था कि तुम्हें स्नीकर्स के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता,
हाँ
बट यू आर टेलिंग मी द एग्जैक्ट प्राइस.
हाँ
हेलो 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 व्हाट्स अप गाइस, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट टुडे. मेरा नाम है पवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. सो दोस्तों, आज मेरे साथ मेरी फ्रेंड डायना ग्रेस है.
हाय।
आज हम एक गेम खेलने वाले हैं जिसमें मैं डायना को अपने स्नीकर कलेक्शन में से एक एक करके एक स्नीकर शो करूंगा एंड यू हैव टू गेस द प्राइस ऑफ माय स्नीकर.
So
Alright.
do I have to guess the exact price or the closest price? Because I won't be able to guess the exact price, right?
ओके, सो लेट्स डू वन थिंग. हम एक काम कर सकते हैं. आई विल गिव यू अ बफर ऑफ 1000. ओके, सो लेट्स जस्ट सपोज इस स्नीकर का प्राइस 3000 रुपये है एंड यू गेस द प्राइस 3500 या 2500, लाइक विद इन द रेंज ऑफ 1000 रुपीज. सो यू विल गेस, यू विल विन द पॉइंट.
Okay.
ठीक है, बट तुम सही प्राइस नहीं गेस करती एंड यू गो अप टू लाइक you go more than 3500 or below 2500, so you will lose the point. Okay,
Yeah, let's start.
so without any further ado, let's begin.
Don't do the nicest one for me. Do the. Let's do the other one.
So let's begin with the first sneaker. So these are Court Majestic Nike, and these are the other versions of Court Royale, which is like very famous. So what do you think?
The price.
Yes, you can hold them.
I think this is like 8,500.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
नहीं, these are not that costly. मतलब ये इतने costly नहीं हैं. I'll give you one more chance.
Okay. I think these are like 5,000.
Guys, you can also guess the price of these sneakers. You can like comment down below in the comment section.
5,000.
पक्का?
हाँ.
Diana, I'm so sorry, but you are nowhere closer. So,
What's the price?
okay, let's do one thing. We'll calculate the MRP of these sneakers because like definitely मैंने इन sneakers को कुछ sneakers को discounted price पे भी खरीदा है. So I don't think वो एक fair deal होगी डायना के लिए. So we'll
Not the discounted price, the real price.
the real price.
हाँ.
Okay, so you are closer. These are like 4,000 rupees.
Okay.
The MRP is like 3,995. So
I didn't lose. Right?
you lose
Why?
because you should have guessed the price within the range of 1,000 rupees, no?
अच्छा, ठीक है.
So like 4,500 तक guess किया होता, तो you would have get this point. But now it's 1 and 0.
Okay. चलो next.
Alright, let's start with the other sneaker. What do you think about this? These are Jordan's Origin Fight 3. So let me tell you one thing, like just give you some hint about these sneakers. This is Jordan is a sub brand of Nike, and this is like one of the premium brands.
Premium.
Yeah.
So I think this must be like 15K. ऐसा सब. 15K or 16K क्या?
No. Okay, I'll give you one more chance.
Premium is expensive, right?
Guys, what do you think?
8K.
You are closer, but these sneakers worth around 9,500 rupees. What happened?
I don't know about sneakers. But
Okay, you can guess the price.
okay.
So, what's the point, Telly?
2-0.
And who is winning? Yay! So let's bring the other sneaker. Okay, so these are the basic one, and these are from like Zara, and I love to wear them regularly.
This
So
I have to know. If I don't know, na, I rather.
of course.
It's like 299 something.
So everyone knows this thing कि Zara की जो pricing होती है वो हमेशा मतलब
9.
राउंड फिगर से 10 रुपए कम होती है. And believe me, you got the exact price. So it's 2,990 rupees.
That's not
Great. So this is the first time Diana ने सही price बताया है. So- Definitely. So what do you think? Which sneaker should we?
Let's do that one.
Okay.
That's Falcon, right?
No, it's Adidas Originals, and these are from the Young series, Young 96 Chasm. And again, like as I said, Nike के जो premium brand है, that is Jordan. So Adidas का जो premium brand है, that is Adidas Originals.
I think this is like 8,000, 9,000.
You have to guess the exact price. Like एक figure बतानी होगी, like 8,000 या 9,000.
8,500.
Diana,
बताओ.
तुमने स्टार्टिंग में कहा था कि तुम्हें स्नीकर्स के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता.
हाँ.
But you are telling me the exact price.
हाँ.
Yes, so these sneakers are worth around 8,000 rupees. Wow.
2 na?
Yes. So the Scott Ellis. What is the Scott Ellie?
Totally. मतलब
Like points.
2.
Okay, so अभी तक 4 sneakers हम देख चुके हैं, and we are on a tie. So let's pick the fifth sneaker. And the fifth sneaker would be Adidas Neo White. So those who don't know, I have just made a video about this and it's on my YouTube channel, and you should know the story behind this sneaker. Okay, but for now, Diana will guess the price of this sneaker.
Adidas Neo.
Yeah, so it's the cheap version of Adidas.
But these are not originals, right?
No, these are not originals. The Adidas Originals. Yeah, these are like a different sub-brand.
I think this is for like 4,500.
4,000 or 4,500.
4,500.
Okay, so Diana is playing really good here, and she's seriously guessing the correct price of this sneaker.
Wow, I'm
And
so good.
this sneaker worth somewhere around 4,500 rupees.
Woo.
Woo!
I'm doing it.
Diana, you
It's-
cheater! You told me
no.
that you don't know the price of sneakers.
I don't know. I'm just guessing. So
And
what's
you were
the-
like, she like when we were having a conversation, so she told me she don't have any idea about the sneakers. Like अगर कोई दिलवा देता है या अगर खुद से कहीं से मतलब कुछ पसंद आ गए तो she bought some like good sneakers, but she has no idea about sneakers. So I thought like it will be fun.
Yeah.
बहुत मजा आएगा अगर
But
हम
it's
ये.
fun, no.
You are winning. It's not
so,
funny
So
for
what
me.
are the points?
So the score tally is 3-2, and I'm losing unfortunately. So let's go with the sixth sneaker I have. It's Supra high black sneakers. Yeah. What do you think about these? These are the heavy ones, like really heavy. So tell me, what do you think about these sneakers? Like, doesn't they look good?
Yeah, it looks good, right? Yeah, I think this. Can you just tell me which are in the expensive part or
Like,
Middle.
yeah, in the middle.
the? Okay, I think this will be like 7,000. I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Okay, so I am helping Diana so that, as she says कि उसको ज़्यादा knowledge है नहीं, still I am like giving a hint to her, so सही price guess कर सके, but वो फिर भी सही price guess नहीं कर पा रही है, and the cost of these sneakers are like 8,000 rupees.
I said 7,000, right?
Yes,
I'm
so
a little bit close.
you were closer, but
ठीक है.
8,000 rupees. And
Mine is 3,300.
yes, so we are like on the same level. And so we have done 6 sneakers, right?
6.
Let's go for the 7th. What do you think about these?
What's the name of this sneaker?
These are again the Adidas Neo, and these are the most lightest sneakers I have ever seen or I have ever worn. मतलब काफी हल्के sneakers हैं, just like carry.
I think these are for 4,500.
Wow. She's very close. So the cost of these sneakers are 4,000 rupees.
Oh, I'm close. Yeah.
So Diana, you are leading again.
3, 4. Yay!
I have to do something to win this game. ऐसे तो तू जीत जाएगी.
I'm so proud of myself. Chalo, next time.
Okay. So let's get one of my most favorite sneakers. These are Jordan Ultra Fly 3. And like I have these sneakers for very long period, but the condition is still very good. क्योंकि मैंने बहुत अच्छे से रखता हूँ, बहुत ख्याल रखता हूँ इन sneakers का. What do you think about this, Diana?
बहुत अच्छे से बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं ना?
Yeah, it's been like more than 3 or 4 years, and still it shines.
These are Jordans, no? I think these are for like 14K. 14K.
So the price of these sneakers is 11,500 rupees. And
That's fine.
And guys,
Tie.
it's a tie again. Like
4 है ना?
yes. So the score level is 4 and 4.
अच्छा.
और एक टाई ब्रेकर करना होगा हमें यहाँ पर.
सिर्फ एक ही बाकी है क्या?
I have 2 more. I guess. Yes, I have 2 more sneakers. So हम अभी गेम और खेल सकते हैं. I'll get you these. So these are Vans, and Diana, you must have seen these sneakers. Like
Yeah.
बहुत काफी famous sneakers हैं. Like people
Vans
wear them a
are
lot.
really, like,
These are like skating sneakers.
I think these are for like 299.
Of course, she knows the price of it.
Vans.
So-
Yeah, I know.
These sneakers cost around 3,000 rupees, and she gets the price correct. Correct. And once again, Diana is leading.
Yes. 5-4.
Diana, कुछ करना होगा मुझे,
नहीं.
जिससे तुम ये गेम लूज कर सको.
Oh.
So these are like my favorite one.
Yeah, I should have watched your video properly to know the price.
Yeah. So guys, if you guys know me, और अगर आपने first video देखी है मेरे channel की, so that is about unboxing of these sneakers. I just bought these sneakers, and I'm in love with these sneakers right
Do
now.
they have the women's version?
Yeah, these are unisex.
Acha.
So like even girls can wear these sneakers.
Even I wanted to buy. Even waiting.
No, I got these sneakers from the reseller. I was not that fortunate.
Acha.
So I bought this sneaker. I paid like more than the MRP.
Actual amount. But I have to
Yeah.
guess the MRP. Okay?
Yes, you have to guess the MRP.
Okay, so I think this is for like 17,000.
So डायना को अगर कोई स्टोरी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है और उसको लगता है कि इस दिखने में काफ़ी अच्छा है, तो उसको लगता है कि इसका प्राइस भी काफ़ी हाई होगा. बट डायना नहीं.
नहीं. हाँ.
मतलब you are telling me the reselling price of this sneaker.
I get one chance. I get one more chance. Yes.
No,
yes.
no,
Yes,
but
because
no.
because
And
I at least guess the reselling price. Come on, I'll guess one more.
as we are in the end of the video और हमारे पास आखिरी स्नीकर ही है, तो I can't give you.
Okay, so how much is the MRP?
So इस स्नीकर की MRP है, the actual price of these sneakers are 10,000 rupees.
Hmm.
Hmm.
तो तुमने ये 7,000 एक्स्ट्रा पे किया।
वो मैं आपको फिर कभी बताऊंगा। बट the actual price of these sneakers are 10,000 rupees. So what is the score now?
5-5.
Is it a tie?
One more left.
Oh,
You
do we
can-
have one more sneaker?
नहीं हो गया खत्म।
हाँ,
तो
like
it's
we
a
have
tie?
we have
हाँ।
already shown them. Let's see. Wait.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys. So I'm back with the last sneaker, and
Tiebreaker.
exactly the tiebreaker. और ये बताने वाला है कि इस गेम का विनर कौन होगा। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कौन किसको रूल करेगा, कौन यस कहेगा हर चीज़ के लिए। So these are from Zara. These are white sneakers, and this is like what I'm wearing right now. So what do you think? What is the price of these sneakers?
I think these are for like 399. अब नहीं बोल सकते ठीक है?
Yay! I won!
How much is it?
So the price of these sneakers is
100.
3,000 rupees.
तो I said,
You said
oh,
399. Like so that is
I was about to, I was
वो 4,000 रुपये हो गए। एंड जैसे मैंने बताया था इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ दिस गेम, तुमको सिर्फ 1,000 रुपये का बफर मिलेगा, यानी कि 3,500 तक तुम गैस कर सकती थी या 2,500 तक। बट शी सेड 4,000 रुपीज। सो जैसे कि हमने वीडियो की स्टार्टिंग में बताया था कि जो भी ये गेम जीतेगा वो लूजर को वो एक दिन के लिए रूल करेगा। इट सिंपली मीन्स डायना हैज टू डू व्हाटएवर आई से फॉर 24 आवर्स। ठीक है? And the punishment video will upload you on your channel. Okay? So do you want to plug your channel?
Yeah. So guys, my YouTube channel name is Gracefully Grace, and my Instagram username is Vaiphi. So you.
Okay. So I will also put all that in the description. तो आप जाके डायना का Instagram handle and डायना की YouTube channel भी check कर सकते हैं. She has uploaded some really good stuff. Believe me, guys. Okay. Thank you. Alright दोस्तों, आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूलें। Do like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.